are going to watch a video of the tallest mountain peaks in the world. Mount Everest is the first highest mountain in the world. The name Mount Everest was first proposed in 1856 and published in 1857, in which the mountain was first confirmed as the world's highest. Everest could not be written in Hindi nor pronounced by the native of India. In 1955, the elevation of 8,848 meter was first determined by an Indian survey. At 808.50 meter, it is considered as the tallest point on the earth. It is located between Nepal and Tibet, an autonomous region of China. Tibetan is named as a Somolungma, which means a mother goddess of world, and Nepali name is a Sagarmatha, which has various meanings. The Himalayan mountains have been home to indigenous groups like Sherpa. The word Sherpa is known as a mountain guide. They have a valuable experience in mountain climbing. The snow and ice create deadly hazards like avalanches in a limited climbing season due to bad weather conditions. Most climbers are accustomed to high altitude and low oxygen levels and rely on bottled oxygen they bring along. The area above 8,000 meters elevation on Everest is called the dead zone. Most disturbingly, many climbers have died along the way and their bodies are impossible to retrieve. The summit was reached for the first time on 1953. K2 at 8,611 meters above sea level is the second highest mountain in the world after Mount Everest. It is located on the China-Pakistan border between Baltistan in a Gilgit-Baltistan region of northern Pakistan. K2 is the highest point of the Karakoram range and the highest point in both Pakistan and Xinjiang. K2 is known as the Savage Mountain after George Bell, a climber on a 1953 American expedition, told reporters it's a savage mountain that tries to kill you. K2 is only 8,000 meter peak that has never been climbed during winter or from its east face. There have been 86 deaths during attempted climbs, according to the list maintained on the list of deaths on 8,000ers. The summit was reached for the first time by Italian climbers on 1954. K2 summit is well above the altitude at which high altitude pulmonary edema or high altitude cerebral edema can occur. In mountaineering, when ascending above altitude of 8,000 meters, the climber enters what is known as the dead zone. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world. It rises with an elevation of 8,586 meters in the section of Himalayas. It lies between Nepal and Sikkim, India, with 3 of the 5 peaks directly on the border and the remaining 2 in Nepal's Taplejung district. Kanchenjunga was first climbed on 25th May 1955 by Joe Brown and George Band, who were part of a British expedition. The Kanchenjunga landscape is a complex of 3 distinct ecoregions: the eastern Himalayan broad-leaved and coniferous forests, the eastern Himalayan alpine steppe and meadows, and the Terai Dwar savanna and grasslands. The Kanchenjunga transboundary is shared by Bhutan, China, India and Nepal. The glacier spread over the area about approximately 5,000 meters and the glacier's area covers about 314 kilometers in total. Although it is the third highest peak in the world, Kanchenjunga is only ranked 29th by topographic prominence, a measure of a mountain independent stature. The protected areas are habitats for many globally significant plant species and orchids and many endangered flower species. Lhotse is the fourth highest mountain in the world at 8,516 meters. Lhotse means South Peak in Tibetan. The summit is on a border between Tibet and China and the Khumbu region of Nepal. The main summit of Lhotse was first climbed on May 18, 1956 by the Swiss team. Lhotse Middle remained for a long time the highest unclimbed named point on Earth. On May 23, 2001, its first ascent was made on a Russian expedition. The western flank of Lhotse is known as the Lhotse phase. This phase rises at 40 and 50 degree pitches with occasional 80 degree bulges. 2 rocky sections called the Yellow Band and the Geneva Spur interrupt the icy ascent of upper part of the face. The Lhotse phase is connected to the Mount Everest by a south pole. In 1979, ascent of the mountain summit was climbed without the use of supplemental oxygen. Lhotse Star is a subsidiary mountain of Lhotse. Makalu is the 5th highest mountain in the world at 8,485 meters. It is located in the Mahangalur Himalayas, 19 kilometers southeast of Mount Everest, on the border between Nepal and Tibet Autonomous Region, China. Makalu is an isolated peak whose shape is a 4-sided pyramid. Makalu has two notable subsidiary peaks. Kanjangshi or Makalu 2 lies about 3 kilometers northwest of the main summit. Makalu Barren Valley is an Himalayan glacier valley situated at the base of Makalu in Nepal. Rare species of animals and plants flourish in a diverse climate and habitats relatively undisturbed by a humankind. Makalu was first summited on May 15, 1955 by Lionel Terray and Jean Cossy of French expedition. An ascent without oxygen was attempted by 1960-1961 Silverhut expedition, but two attempts did not succeed. Makalu is one of the more difficult 8,000ers and it is considered one of most difficult mountains in world to climb. Chowui is the sixth highest mountain in the world at 8,188 meters above the sea level. Chowui means turquoise goddess in Tibetan. The mountain stands on a China-Nepal border. Few kilometers west of Chowui is Nangpa La, a glaciated pass that serves as a main trading route between the Tibetans and the Khumbu Pass. Chowui is considered as the easiest 8,000-meter peak to climb with the lowest death summit ratio. Chowui is the second most climbed 8,000er after Everest and it is marketed as a trekking peak. The mountain was first climbed on October 19, 1954 via the Northwest Ridge by Herbert Tichy, Joseph Joseller and a Sherpa Pasang Dawa Lama of an Asian expedition. Dhaulagiri is the seventh highest mountain in the world at 8,167 meters above the sea level and the highest mountain within the borders of a single country. It was first climbed on 13 May 1960 by Austrian, Swiss, Nepali expedition. Dhaulagiri is a Nepali name for a mountain which comes from the Sanskrit where Dhavala means dazzling, white, beautiful and Giri means mountain. Dhaulagiri 1 is also the highest point of Gandaki river basin. Annapurna 1 is 34 km east of Dhaulagiri. On all 8,000 meter peaks in Nepal, the death rate was 1.63%, ranging from 0.65% on Chowui to 4.04% on Annapurna 1 and 3.05% of Manaslu. Hyangchuli Patan at the western end nearest the Beri river is locally called Sisni or Murkuta Himal. It was an iconic landmark to insurgents based in a Rukum and Rolford district during the 1996 to 2006 Nepal Civil War. Most of the named 7,000 meter peaks are on a ridge extending west-northwest, separated from a Dhaulagiri 1 by 5,355 meter French Pass. In order, they are Dhaulagiri 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th, Junction Peak, Churans East, Central and West, Putha Hyangchuli and Hyangchuli Patan. Falls Junction Peak, Dhaulagiri 6 and Garja are on a ridge extending south from Junction Peak. 6,182 meter Pota Himal stands north on a main ridge between Churan and Putha Hyangchuli. Pota has been informally renamed Peak Howli. Manaslu is the 8th highest mountain in the world at 8,163 meters above the sea level. It is in a Manasri Himal, part of Nepal's Himalayas, in the west central part of Nepal. The name Manaslu means mountain of the spirit and it is derived from the Sanskrit word Manasa, meaning intellect or soul. Manaslu was first climbed on May 9, 1956 by members of Japanese expedition. It is said that just as the British considered Everest their mountain, Manaslu has always been Japanese mountain. Manaslu is the highest peak in the Gorkha and is about 64 km east of Annapurna. The highest point reached along the trek route is the Larkyala at an elevation of 5,106 meters. As of May 2008, the mountain has been climbed 297 times with the 53 faculties. Manaslu is known in the Tibetan language as Kutan 1, in which Tang means the Tibetan word for a flat place. A glacial saddle known as Larkyala with an elevation of 5,106 meters lies north of Manaslu. Unlike many regions, this valley is a sanctuary to many highly endangered animals. animals. Over 110 species of birds, 33 mammals, 11 butterflies and 3 reptiles have been recorded. Medical herbs and aromatic plants have also been recorded in different forest types and adjoining vegetation. Overall, the presence of 19 types of forest and other forms of dominant vegetation have been recorded from the area. An estimated 1,500 to 2,000 plant species grown here. Nanga Parbat, locally known as the Dayamar, is the 9th highest mountain in the world at 8,126 meters above the sea level. It is located in a Dayamar district of Gilgit-Baltistan region. Nanga Parbat is the western anchor of the Himalayas. The name Nanga Parbat is derived from the Sanskrit words Nanga and Parvata, which together means naked mountain. Nanga Parbat is one of the 14 8,000ers and it is difficult to climb. Nanga Parbat is one of the only 2 peaks on earth that rank in top 20 of both the highest mountain in the world and the most prominent peaks in the world, ranking 9th and 14th respectively. The key goal for Nanga Parbat is Zojila in Kashmir, which connects it to a higher peaks in remaining Himalaya Karakoram range. Nanga Parbat was first climbed via the East Ridge on July 3, 1953 by Austrian climber Hermann Boll, a member of German-Austrian team. The second ascent of Nanga Parbat was via the Dayamar face in 1962 by Germans. This route has become the standard route of the mountain. Second ascent on Nanga Parbat was via the Dayamar face in 1962 by Germans. This route has been the standard route on the mountain. Annapurna 1 Main is the 10th highest mountain in the world at 8,091 meters above the sea level. Annapurna is a massive in the Himalayas in north-central Nepal that includes 1 peak 8,000 meters, 13 peaks over 7,000 and 16 more over 6,000 meters. The massive is 55 kilometers long. At the western end, the massive encloses a high basin called the Annapurna Sanctuary. The entire massive and surrounding area are protected within 7,629 km Annapurna Conservation Area, the first and largest conservation area in Nepal. The Annapurna Conservation Area is home to several world-class treks, including Annapurna Sanctuary and Annapurna Circuit. The name Annapurna is derived from the Sanskrit language words Purna and Anna and can be translated as everlasting food. Many streams descending from the slopes of Annapurna Massif provide water for the agricultural fields and pastures located at lower elevations. Annapurna 1 was the first 8,000-meter peak to be climbed. The south face of Annapurna was first climbed in 1970 without use of supplemental oxygen, members of British expedition.